Oh dear, I'm not sure if you can see that. I've broke my freaking derailleur and I'm miles from anywhere. So, it's a long walk into Leicester. Hey, that's what it is anyway. My day's going to be a slow one. But what a beauty. Anyway, enjoy it. Morning all. Wow, so George Hall Cycling Centre in Market
Harbour, yeah.
Market Harbour have come to my rescue and fixed my bike. It's a lovely shop, 125 years old. There's Neil in the background there. He's the new owner. George retired a few years back. So if you are in the area and you're on a cyclist, come and spend your money here and not in the big corporations like Alfred's.
We're on Sustrans route number 6.
Yeah, route number 6. I've been following that all the way down from, Grand Union Canal somewhere. I keep seeing it pop up, but me, there's a goat track, I'm taking it, Neil, sort of thing.
That takes you all the way to Derby.
All the way to Derby, but I'm off to Nottingham, Leicester and then Nottingham from here. The sun's shining, I'm back on the road thanks to these dudes. See ya. Yep, the canal from Leicester to Nottingham, I believe, but we will see. Speaking to a bloke, Steve. Wow. Think about oh dear. What real life. These hills ain't fun. Oh, here we go, up and over. Whee. But sorry about the dodgy. But something in there looks like a bowl of a sort. Just look at all the waste at the weir there. I don't know if you can see it. It's just so beautiful, isn't it? And many people are telling me, get rid of humans. It's is the dude right? I don't know. Little baby owl sitting in there under the bush. I was going to camp up in there and I saw this thing looking at me, so I thought better of it. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. What an honour.